It'd probably go a lot faster if the clickers were down, right?
Right.
Hey guys, Rick here, Digit 9. Today we're going to try to differentiate body weight between what happens on a snowmobile climbing up a hill. Last couple days, our poor buddy Landon here was kind of feeling bad because the old stock kitty was whooping his butt, but a lot of it's rider weight and it was kind of shitty weather. I think he's overfueling a little bit. So today we're going to find a hill. We're going to do a couple side-by-side comparison climbs with him on it and then me on it. See what a little bit of weight difference does with the climb and how the sled reacts.
It's built by Mad Motorsports in Leduc. It's an 875 Brent Linderman big bore motor.
In a 2016 XM chassis, 163. Yes. Please note, guys, Landon put this Munster finger throttle on. I've never run one before, so if I fall off, please don't laugh. It's something I might have to get used to, but I'm going to give it a try. We're going to do a speed test right now. I'm going to go up the hill, and then Landon's going to run up the hill. We're not going to touch the clutch, and we're going to see what kind of speed we get out of it. I got 70K, but that's track speed.
Right.
Track speed was about 70 kilometers an hour, bounced around a little bit, 68, 72. Landon's going to take a rip, go up the same line, try to stay in some deep snow. I try to stay kind of in between some tracks. He's going to see what he gets on it. That'll tell us what the weight differential the rider does to this sled and how the clutches react to it. So Landon's about 40, 50 pounds heavier than what I am right now with the pack and everything on. So I'm guessing he's going to see 60, 62 kilometers an hour on the track speed. It's going to be slower. So I'm actually curious to see it. I kind of like doing all this tuning. It's kind of fun to see. So stay tuned. Here it comes.
So I see in 77, 78 RPM and only 63 kilometers an hour track speed.
There you go. What's that tell you? Landon came up the hill. He was pulling 81, 8,000, 80, 50, 81.
Yeah.
I was pulling about 8250, 80, I seen 8290, almost 8300 RPM. So I'm a little lighter guy. Being these clickers, these TRAs are pretty temperamental with weight and with air and with whatever else. So what we're gonna do, instead of adjusting the clickers right away, we're gonna chalk the clutch, see what it does in the setting it's at, and then we're gonna adjust the clickers again and chalk it, and just see how much more performance we get out of the sled. See how much faster it goes, see what the RPMs are, stuff like that. To me already, it doesn't look like the belt's running nearly high enough. See that black mark in there, guys? Where it's kind of normally running. To me, that tells me it's not clutched right. Sorry, Dean, but I know you're a TRE guy, but we'll get it figured out. So we're gonna do that real quick and just see how much chalk we got left at the end of a pull. And leave your questions below. I better redo that. So on that pull, guys, I got 82, 82.50. We're gonna have a quick look at the clutches here. When we chalk the clutches and look at them, we're getting RPMs, but we're not going anywhere. Look at all the chalk that's left there. That shouldn't be. He's probably running way down here and not getting any speed. And look where it's running, Landon. It's running way down here. You got all this belt left. There's a ton of speed there. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna set the clickers so that it drops the RPM. I'm gonna chalk it one more time. We're gonna give it a try. So there guys, we chalked it. We brought the RPM down. It seemed to go a little faster. I wasn't watching the speedo gauge. We're gonna check the chalk. It's still down. So it spikes. So this is telling me that it's geared too high. It spikes and then it comes back down. So every once in a while when we hit the hard pack, that belt's jumping up because it's picking up speed. So you can see where it's running, eh, Landon?
Yeah.
Right way down there.
Okay.
So you're using about
50%?
55% of your clutch. That's huge speed you're leaving on the table there. So I would either gear it down or change the ramps in this baby. You take your clutch, okay? You're spinning around a circle this big. So what happens if you got the same RPM and you spin it around a circle that big?
It's gonna go slower.
It's gonna go way faster.
Oh, right, okay.
You're gearing it way higher. So you gotta drop a little bit of gear in your chain case so it can pull it, but you're gonna end up going faster.
Okay.
I know it doesn't make a lot of sense to gear down to go faster, but that's how it works in the mountains. If you wanna go faster at home, and there's gonna be guys, drag race guys that say, oh no, you're full of shit. Yes, to do it at home, you need more pull. You need more tension, let's say, on the secondary to get it to work, so they gear everything up to work better for drag racing. In the mountains, it is completely different. You gotta have it geared down, and you gotta have that clutch working. So being down like that, it's just getting so hot because you don't have enough belt surface either, right?
Okay.
So you're spinning a lot more, you're getting a little too much RPM, your belt's spinning, your clutch is getting hot. So if you gear it down, that's gonna come up a little bit, your belt's gonna ride higher, more belt surface, more grip, more speed. You can take that to the bank. And please hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification. I greatly appreciate it.